How to get free domain for Wix site. So once you have created your particular site, it will already give you a particular domain. I have in here this site and this is my domain. However, do take note that Wix will only give you a subdomain on their free plan. If you want the free domain for yourself on your Wix site, you can head over first into your dashboard. Click onto this upgrade option in order to upgrade for a free plan. So don't worry because it will actually give us a free domain through this way. So in here you can see this. So just choose first the plan that you have or you want. Once you have selected that, they should be able to offer right here a free domain included on the billing cycle. As you can see, if we choose monthly, we do not have a free domain. But if you choose yearly, you will have a free domain associated for you. So in that way, you can play or you can pay for your Wix plan and have a free domain that has been added for that. So as you can see, we can get in here a free domain if we use a yearly or multi-year Wix Studio plan, and they have a 1-year free domain voucher for us to use. So that's how you get free domain for Wix site. Hope we helped.